Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn really easy way how you can use Canva. And this is going to be 10-minute tutorial, not more. So let's just start. I'm in canva.com. You can see it right here, and let's start. In left upper corner you will have a create a design. Right there, choose what you want to create. This is really important because the algorithm of Canva will see that you want to create a t-shirt and it will help you to create a t-shirt. So that's perfect. But let's say that we want to create a logo, and I will try to show you everything about the creation. So let's write here logo, and here we go. So when we are here, the first thing what you want to do is to create a template. You can choose template, whatever template you want. Then you have photos here. You can choose this as a background. You can choose it as like a part of your photo. So let's say that this is really great for poster. But what I recommend more is to, okay, this is like a hack one-on-one. Right here, like some music, images, and try to find some good music, and then you can upload it and you don't need to pay for the premium. So this is like woohoo, really cool trick, really cool way how you can do it. The next thing is elements. Elements are really great for your logo and for whatever, and I will show you. When I go to home, I was creating this logo, and you see it here that when I delete it, it was like really empty. But right now with the red outline, it's much better. So this is why the shapes are really great, and you will have like grids here or just shapes that you can change color with. Okay, then you have frames, stickers, which are like awesome for Instagram, charts, gradients, lines, and whatever, you know how it goes. So then we have a text here that you can add. You can make it bigger, you can rotate it. And now when I'm going to write here logo, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color of it, like whatever. See, simple and spacing. Then you can duplicate it, then you can change the transparency of it or change the position. You can add videos if you would like from YouTube, from your own computer. Also, some are for free, some are paid. You can change the background if you would like. Background of your, see, okay. Most of them are free, so that's pretty cool. And now let's move on. Yeah, let's choose this one. No. Wait, I want some pretty, but let's choose this white. Okay, and then you have uploads here. You can upload your image or video if you would like. Really simple also. I will upload again this doggy here. Ooh. And then you have folders for if you would like to create. So, well, okay, let's start with the template. I recommend everyone just choose a template and start from there. So let's say that I want to create a beauty logo, and I will choose this Hyros here. It's for free and it looks like really great if I would have a hairdresser, I don't know, company. Now what I'm going to do, I will change this color to white, and it's like, I think it's much better. And then what I'm going to do, I can go to photos and write here hair. But a lot of them are for free, a lot of them are not. So you can use these, but this is like, I don't recommend it because simplicity is the key all the time. Then you have elements. Let's say I have elements here, and I would like to also, how it's called? I'm not English speaking person, so I don't even use this word. So, okay, you see here, scissors, and you can use some of these if you would want. I could use this one, but these are paid. Again, I would like to use it like this. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And also there's another thing is when you want to download something which is paid, you need to pay for like $1. When I have it like this, you can go to text and you have like font combinations that you would like to use, but I like this one. So let's see, like hair dresser. And I like it how it is right now, so I'm not going to really change it. But you have here plenty of font combinations. Then you have videos here that you could like to use. Also really up to you. But I don't think that for a logo we are going to use a logo, the video now. Background. Again, I could use some, but I really like the yellow. But let's make it also bigger, guys. So I'm going to make a bigger my hair. I'm going to make bigger my okay, and dresser. Everything is going to be bigger. Then what you want to do, you can also click shift, hold shift and hold everything and then just group it. So right now when I'm going to move it, I'm moving everything. So that's pretty cool too. And now, okay, we have it here, here. This is everything's fine. We can go to uploads and upload our image or video. I already talked about it. Folders and more. In more, you can connect it. You can choose like Instagram and you can connect your account and upload through that. So that's pretty like awesome. Or your YouTube channel, YouTube video. So that's pretty cool. What else would I show you? I don't even know now. I thought I'm going to make it in 10 minutes, but it's really, really fast. So, but yeah, this is how we do it. I think this is all. And now the last thing what you want to do is to click download. And now you'll have it like PNG. PNG is one of the best files to save it as, I think. And like it's really quality. So go that way. When you're gonna click it, just click download. Okay. And you see it here. I'm going to open it. And voila, here we go. Here we have it. It's pretty cool. Okay. And when you go to home, you can see it here, the create design. There is so many things you can do. You can play with it, and I think Canva is amazing program, honestly, to make it. Let's also see t-shirt, or let's see social media. Templates. And these are like really cool. Also, I see plenty of companies using this. So many of them. And this is like making t-shirts. It's really cool. And you can like print t-shirt. And you're going to pay with it. Like this is so cool what they created. So yeah. That's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya.